A loud sneeze echoed through the crowded library as Ava accidentally launched her bookmark across the room. Embarrassed, she whispered, "Sorry," as everyone stared except one guy who retrieved the bookmark with a grin. "Are you always this dramatic about reading?" he joked, handing it back. Ava laughed, only with thrilling chapters, and they started chatting. Turns out they loved the same books. By the end of the day, he asked, "Want to grab coffee? We could start our own book club." Storyteller GM. Because sometimes a misplaced bookmark finds its perfect story to belong to.